I'm going to start a new series called Product Spotlight, where I'm going to take a product or tool that I have, do a short review, let you know how I like it, and if I think it's worth getting. I'm not sure if I'll do this maybe every week or so, or if I find something I really like. So stay tuned. The first product that I'm going to spotlight is actually this LED conversion kit for the mini maglite. I got this for about 15 bucks off eBay. You can see the difference between the standard bulb and this LED bulb. You can hardly tell the other flashlight is even on. Both flashlights have fairly new batteries. Actually, the red one probably has the older batteries. It says 140 lumens. It's bright, I can tell you that. And it says it's got about 4 hours of run time. I haven't gone through a set of batteries yet, so I don't really know if that's accurate or not. But okay, this is actually what comes in the box. It's just a new reflector, an LED bulb, and I'm going to show you how you actually replace the bulb. You unscrew the cap, you pull out the old bulb, and there's two little prongs that go in. Now you see it doesn't work, so you got to rotate it 180 degrees until you see it working. That takes care of the flashlight. Now you got to do the reflector. You unscrew the cap, pull the reflector out, put the new reflector in. Screw it back together, and there you go. Really easy upgrade, a cheap upgrade, I think. And actually, with this LED bulb inside this mini maglite, I actually use this small flashlight more than I do the big one now, so I would highly recommend this conversion kit.